traders, and welcome back to Stock Tech. So all of us want to make money out of trading, right? But how much money can we make? How much accuracy can we have in the stock market? Can we rely on this income as the best source of secondary income? These are few questions that pop up in every trader's mind. So we have come up with some answers. You guys know that we have multiple WhatsApp groups that we run for various cities. And on these groups, every month, every day, in fact, we post some suggestions, stock suggestions for educational purpose. Then we track those suggestions and we generate a monthly report. So this month's report that we have posted says an average gains of 25% in a month. So what this report means is if you are investing 1 lakh rupees, you would have made a profit of 25% this month, that is 25,000. Okay, so here's the report. Let me show you the report. So this is our monthly report. All the suggestions that we have given during the entire month on different groups have been brought together, and then 25 total 95 suggestions were posted in the month of April, and we have shown a calculation where we say average monthly percentage 25% achieved. So is this possible? Is this achievable? Is it realistic? Okay, so let us just see this. Let me go to the Zerodha trading platform, and today I'll be showing you one of the portfolios where we have taken trades over a period of a month, and then you can see profits that we have generated. So let me log in into this account. Let me enter my PIN, and we are done. We are into the trading account, and in this let me go to console, and under the console let me go to reports and profit and loss report. Okay, before going to the profit and loss report, take a look over here. It says that current value of this account is 3,14,000 rupees and something. So we'll consider 3,14,000. So let's make a note of that. The current value of this account is 3,14,000, right? Okay, so move out of which 2,68,000 is invested into equity holdings, and we have a cash balance of 46,000. So here's the overview of this account. So now let me go to reports. Let's go to the profit and loss report, and under the profit and loss report we have a report over here for the month of April, that is from the 1st of April. You can see we have selected 1st of April to 30th of April. This is the Zerodha console. So when I say view, okay, the report is being generated, and the report says that we have made a profit of 58,000 rupees this month. Total profit, realized profit of 58,000 rupees this month. Okay, so this is under the equity segment. Do we trade in FNO? We always say we don't. So let's check that out. So when I say reports are empty, so this shows that we do not trade into the futures and options, just purely into equity. Okay, so we have made a profit of 58,000. So let me just deduct that from the current value of the account. So when I deduct 58,000 rupees from the current value of the account, it says 2,56,000. So this is the value of the account on 1st of April. On 1st of April it was 2,56,000, and after that we have traded for the entire month till 30th of April. Today is 2nd May, right? 30th of April, sorry, today is 4th May, right? And markets were closed for the last 3 days, as you know, 1st May being the Maharashtra day, and 2nd May being Saturday, and 3rd May being Sunday, right? So now the markets are closed, and we are just showing you the profits for the month of April. So 58,000 on an investment of 2,56,000. So if I calculate the percentage, so let's say on the investment of 2,56,000 we have made 58,000. 58,000 into 100 divided by 2,56,000, correct? So that's your 22%, right? 22% for the month of April in this portfolio. What report we have posted says 25%, but we are very close to it, that is 22%. Done. Now let me go back and open another account into a different account. Let me just enter my PIN. and we'll say continue. That takes me to the dashboard of this account. As you can see, in the equity holdings we are 7,000 plus, 7.42k plus. But let me go to console, and under the console let me go to, okay, but first let us see the value of the account. The current value of this account is 1.8 lakhs, right? So previous, just remember we have made a profit of 22% in the previous account. Okay, so now let's calculate in this account. 1,80,000 is the current value of this account value, in which you have 1,72,000 in the holdings and 8,000 we have the free cash. Now let me go to reports and profit and loss, right? So here under the profit and loss, let me show you if we have traded futures and options. Let me select the range from 1st of April to 30th of April. Why I'm trying to show this? Because a lot of people believe and think that they can only make money in the futures and options, but it's totally untrue. In fact, majority of the people lose heavy money into futures and options. So that is why I am showing you this again and again, that we are trading only into the equity segment, right? So now you have equity segment, and that is the date from 1st of April to the 30th of April. Let me say view. The report is being built, and here you can see this is an amazing performance, even better than the previous portfolio that I've shown you. Here we have a 56,000 rupees profit. The current value of the account is 1,80,000, okay, on as of 30th of April, but profit is showing 56,000. Let me deduct that from this to get the value of this account on 1st of April. Simple calculation. So on 1st of April, this account was 1,24,000. So on 1,24,000 rupees, we have made 56,000 rupees profits. If you calculate that in terms of percentage, for 1,24,000 we have made 56,000 rupees. So let me just show you that. And that's your 45%, right? Yes, you can calculate it for yourself. It's 45%, an amazing performance. What we have shown in our monthly report is an average of 25%, but the previous portfolio I showed you, okay, we saw that it was an average returns of 22%. On an investment of 2,56,000, we had made 58,000 rupees profit, and the current one you can see is an amazing performance. On an investment of 1,24,000, we have made a profit of 56,000 rupees, which is equal to 45% growth in a single month. 45, purely equity trading. Okay, we have paid the brokerage over here of 7.18k, and total we gained was 48,000, and unrealized profit, that's our holding, are currently positive by 7.4%. So this proves that you can make very good money in the stock market by trading purely into the equity segment. So that is why we say always trade in the equity segment and trade safely. Don't put your hard-earned money at risk by trading in futures and options. If you want to learn more about us, you can visit our website www.stocktech.in. Okay, you have all the details. If you want to contact us, you can contact us on 7829295555 or 7353295555. Whatever explanation we have given you in this portfolios and with this profits are live. So these are auto-generated reports by Zerodha. There can be good profit that can be achieved, but education is a very important thing. So before investing into the stock market, please do your own research, learn and then invest, because stock market investments are subjected to market risk and you can lose your money in the stock market as well. We have achieved this profits, not necessary that you might achieve it. So you have to learn and get yourself trained, and then you may be able to do this. So before making any investment decisions, consult your financial advisor. Thank you for watching this video. Keep following, keep liking, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you until next time.